Today I'm going to show you the coolest trick, making fake snow. No freezing required. This is perfect for your winter decor, gift wrapping, or festive scenes. You're going to need some baking soda, some white acrylic paint. If you don't add the white acrylic paint, it will be transparent. Some Mod Podge. You're going to need a measuring cup or a dish, some measuring cups, some spoons, and a fork. We're going to add 1/4 cup of baking soda into our measuring cup. This recipe for fake snow is non-toxic and very affordable compared to store-bought, making it a really budget-friendly option for various winter and Christmas projects. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of Mod Podge. You can use the gloss or the matte, and this is a must in your fake snow recipe because it sticks the snow to your project, making sure it stays put. Plus it keeps your snow looking cool and intact so your creations last longer. Now we're going to mix 1 tablespoon of white acrylic paint into that fake snow mix to achieve that really realistic snow color. You can also use latex paint or chalk paint, whatever you have on hand, it'll all work perfect. Now I'm going to use my fork and I'm going to mix it all together really well. It's like a real thick pancake batter when you mix it. And if you're finding that it's still a little bit runny, you can go back in and you can add a little bit more of that baking soda to thicken it up a bit. You want it to form peaks when you're putting it on your project. So that's how you know you have it mixed properly. And then that's it. That's so easy to make fake snow. You can add it to your holiday decorations, to windows, to table centerpieces, to miniature villages or miniature landscapes, giving things that realistic touch. And you can see as I'm spreading it around with my palette knife and then I'm pulling it up, it's forming those peaks, giving it that realistic snow feel. You want to make it a little bit more frosty, add some glitter. I've got some blue sparkly glitter I'm going to just incorporate into that fake snow. You can also use some mica powder, and it really glistens when you put it on your project. So try making your own fake snow. It's easy, it's affordable, and it adds that magical touch to your projects. I had a tin can that I'd saved out of the recycling bin, and I added some of that fake snow around one of my graphics that I decoupaged on it. Added some greenery in the top, and it's a great way to use this recipe and create some fake snow on your DIY projects. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.